Okay, number 24, last one on the worksheet for today. I'm going to start by bringing everything over to the left-hand side, so minus 12x on both sides, minus 5 on both sides. So the minus 5 plus 3 gives me a negative 2. I also had a 9x squared and a minus 12x. And on the right-hand side, I now have a 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 12x minus 12x is 0. I'm going to use my quadratic formula twice because of the plus and minus. I need to do it once with the positive and once with the minus, or the subtract. So x equals, let's identify our parts here. A is equal to 9. B is equal to negative 12. And C is equal to negative 2. So x equals the opposite of b. That's what the negative b stands for. Opposite of b, so positive 12 plus the square root of b squared. Negative 12 times negative 12 is 144. Okay, b squared minus 4 times a, which is 9, times c, which is negative 2. All over 2 times a. 2 times a is 18. So something over 18. Again, just to show you, if I do negative 12 squared in my calculator, just like that, it tells me negative 144. That's not what you want. The calculator's not wrong, it's just doing a different problem than what you want it to do. It's not squaring the negative. If you want it to square the negative, you have to put it in parentheses. Okay, we know negative 12 squared is negative 12 times negative 12. It's a positive 144. That b squared value is always positive because a squared number is always positive. So we have 12 plus the square root of b squared is 144 minus 4 times a, 9, times c, negative 2, gives me a decimal divided by 18. My decimal was about 26.7. And then using that exact decimal divided by 18 was 1.483. So that's one solution. The second solution is going to come from 12 minus the square root of 144 minus 4 times 9 times negative 2, all over 18. So 12 minus square root 144 minus 4 times 9 times negative 2 gives me a decimal, negative 2.696, or negative 2.7, divided by 18. So again, we had negative 2.7 approximately when I rounded that answer just to write it down. And then when I divide the exact decimal by 18, I get negative 0.1498. So that's going to round to negative 0.15.